Today we're going to do something that we're going to be installing the windshield trim clips into the rear window. Now I've done some rust repair here, and if you guys have done this or are looking at doing this, you know that when you cut that out, you got no idea where these trim clips go. Thankfully, I went with Belden Speed's rust replace panels, and they sent me the measurements. They're also available online, so check those out. Make sure you measure good, and we're going to get into this. The measurement for how deep, or I guess how high you would want this out of the channel. This is where the trim clip is. When I did this, I had to cut all of mine out. So there's only one that I can set my height on, and that's this little guy. That's 5/32. So all of these are going to be 5/32 around the top, and then the ones on this channel here are going to be a little bit shorter than that because it's a different channel, and there's different clips for that. Go figure. I had marked on my ruler here the height of the one reference point that I have, and then I went around and measured all around the outside here and put the spacing that I need. So now I just need to set the height. So I'm going to do that. Got my height. Going to put a little dot right there. It's going to give me the center point of where I need to be at. Then you're going to take a center point punch. I'd use my drill bit because I'm too lazy to go find one right now. And I'm going to make sure that that thing is nice and located so it's not going to walk around and put me a hole in the wrong spot. And then just give them a little tap-a-roo with the drill. Oh God, that was nerve-wracking. Now we come in with our little trim clip. Just threads in, it's like a screw with a little shoulder on it. And we're just gonna screw that little guy in there. Bring it down to the shoulder. And there you go. Now I just got to do that 19 more times and we'll be done. Now we're going to take this to the shop to do the one thing that I will not do on this car, sealing the glass. Hang in there, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.